Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply this wave ripple animation to your photos on CapCut PC. So select your image and you're just going to extend the length of it as well. Then just go to effects and search for the ripple distortion one, which is this one, and add it to your videos or photos. Go to twist and bring it down to around 15%, or if that's too much, I go for the 13%. You can also adjust the strength a little bit and the size here if you'd like to, and as well as the speed. I like when it's slower. That's what I meant. Like that. And that's pretty much it. Sometimes people add in the light leaks effect as well on top. Not sure if I'm able to find it. Oh, it's this one probably. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Just adjust the atmosphere a bit. And I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!